Step into the 2015 Chrysler 200. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chrysler prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.